So let me give you the first question. So you are given the function and you are asked to express it in partial fractions. And you are given a modeling question along with it. Let us start the question. So what we are given is 1 over 3 minus x, 6 minus x. And the first thing you're asked to do is to express this in partial fractions. So I can write this as a over the first term in the denominator 3 minus x plus b over 6 minus x. Now what we have to do is that we have to find this value of a and b. So I can write this as a over just cross multiplying 6 minus x plus b over b times 3 minus x is equal to 1. Now we calculate the values of a and b. For that, I take when x is equal to 6. So this term cancels out. What remains is b times, when x is 6, this is negative 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to negative 1 over 3. Similarly, when x is equal to 3, a times 3 is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 over 3. This term cancels. So a times 6 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So I can now write this as what the given fraction as the value a of a 1 over 3 over 3 minus x plus b is negative. So I can write this as negative 1 over 3 6 minus x. So this is now the required partial fraction. Now come to the second part. The second part of the question, it said that the rate of change is given by the equation dx over dt is equal to k times 3 minus x times 6 minus x. This is what is given. K is a constant. And we are asked to find the value of k. To find the value of k, I'm going to write it as 1 over, in order to integrate, I'm writing it as 1 over 3 minus x. I'm taking these terms to this side. So I can write this as dx is equal to k dt. Now I am integrating both sides. And I have already calculated the partial fraction for this. I substitute with the partial fraction. It is 1 over 3, 3 minus x minus 1 over 3, 6 minus x dx is equal to integral of k dt. Now I integrate. See, the power of the denominator is 1. When the power of the denominator to be integrated is 1, we take it as of the form ln. So the integral of this is 1 over 3 ln of 3 minus x. Now I have to divide. Since it's integration, I have to divide by the derivative. The derivative of this is negative 1 minus the same thing, 1 over 3 ln 6 minus x over negative 1 is equal to, the derivative is k t plus c, the constant. So 1 over 3 is common. I take that out, is equal to This one, ln of 6 minus x, since negative of negative is positive, minus ln of 3 minus x is equal to kt plus c. Have you reached up to this, Devon?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are asked to calculate the value of k. Before that, I can even simplify this as 1 over 3 ln of 6 minus x. By the property of logarithms, it is equal to 1 over 3 ln of 6 minus x over 3 minus x is equal to kt plus c. And we are given that when t equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So I substitute that when t is equal to 0. So these terms cancel. So here only c is left. So this is now 1 over 3 ln of 6 minus 0. That's the same as 6 over 3 is equal to c, or 1 over 3 ln of 2 equal to c. You got the value for c. Next, let us calculate the value of k. Here, another clue is given as t equal to 1, x equal to 1. When t equal to 1, x is 1. So we substitute for that. So this is now 1 over 3 ln x equal to 1. So 5 minus x, 6 minus x, which is 5 over 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Is equal to k times t is 1. So k plus c we already have calculated as 1 over 3 ln of 2. So therefore k is equal to, from this we can calculate the value of k. So k is equal to 1 over 3 ln 5 over 2 minus 2. This is the same as 1 over 3 ln 5 over 2 over 2. This is 1 over 3 ln 5 over 4. This is given. That is what we are asked to show. Show that k is equal to 1 over 3 ln 5 over 4. And in the next part, we are asked to find the value of x when t is equal to 2. So here now our equation is now 1 over 3 ln 6 minus x over 3 minus x is equal to k. What is the value of k? K is 1 over 3 ln 5 over 4 t plus c. C also we have calculated 1 over 3 ln of 2. So this is now what is our equation is. This now. So this is now our equation.
Yeah.
We have given the value for k and c. The final part of the question, we are asked to find the value of x when t is equal to 2. You just substitute for t. And we will calculate the value of x from this. So this is now 1 over 3 ln of 6 minus x over 3 minus x is equal to 1 over 3 ln 5 over 4 times t is 2. We are asked to calculate when t is 2 times 2 plus 1 over 3 ln of 2. This I can write 1 over 3 ln 6 over x over 3 minus x is equal to 2 over 3. I have a 2 here, so I can write it as 2 or 3 ln 5 over 4 plus 1 over 3 ln of 2. Now, if I remove all 1 by 3 is common in all the terms, so I cancel those 1 by 3's out. So what remains is ln of 6 minus x over 3 minus x is equal to, I have a 2 ln 5 over 4 plus ln of 2. This I can write as, this is equal to actually 5 over 2 the square. And this plus ln of 2 times 2. If I take the exponential on both sides, I can write this as 6 minus x over 3 minus x is equal to 5 square over 4 square times 2. So when I cancel out this, here times 2. So this is 6. Yeah, I'll write from the top. So now our equation is 6 minus x over 3 minus x is equal to 5 square, which is 25 over 8. Now let us simplify and find the value of x. So this is 8 times 6 is 48 minus 8x is equal to 75 minus 25x. So when I take this, 25 minus 8, which is equal to 17x, is equal to 75 minus 48, which is equal to 27, or x is equal to 27 over 70. So we reached the answer. This is what we are asked to find out.